All right, second day futures trading. Oh man, I kind of got tricked. I kind of messed up on a couple of my orders because I was trying to get my profit take profit and my stops, and then I just got confused. I was buying markets order, and then I didn't know what position I had, so I didn't get to let it run today, even though I had a feeling that the I mean, it just looked like the market was in a buy side strength. So I could have had way more today, but I only got like $60. But I could have had like way more, dude. I probably could have had like 300, $400. But I don't feel like. And then I got freaking whipsawed near the end here, so I'm just calling it a day. Because I don't want to fucking. I'm just going to wait for a better setup. I saw that my account was down $40. And but it's really because they charge me for my market data, and I was like, had to go look that shit up, and they took out $40. I was like, fuck. I had like a 410 breakout play, 410 breakout play, and to go up to like 40-50, okay, based on the daily. And I took a short too, just in case like the support breakdown. I probably should have just put that order in a little bit lower, because if it's gonna go low, it's gonna go low. So it touches me, showing a little bit of weakness, and I think I was in the money for like a little bit, but then again it just reverses on me. So I'm like, the fuck. Yeah, I should just let it establish this level first before I put in my order. I probably should have put a short down here, because for sure if it breaks the pre-market low, it would go way lower. And I was in this one prematurely, and I take a hit. Right away, about $50, right? No, $60 loss. Boom, then reversed. I reversed. I wonder if I still got. I don't think I got my 410s. I think I canceled my 410. I reversed into it. Got a quick. See, okay, now here's the problem. I'm trying to separate my at the money, because I wanted 3 different profit target levels, and I couldn't figure out how to do that. I can't edit my order. And so it just kind of made me panic a little bit. And now I'm trying to adjust it, but because it started showing some weakness here, I went ahead and sold my position. Look how ugly all that shit is. I figured out how to close it. Oh look, now the market is crashing. Assholes. Maybe I should take a trade right now. No, I'm done. I got whipsawed. I'll show you what happened. I'll show you. Sorry, I'm watching the market. Oh, man, if I'm done trading. Damn, close the fucking shit. Wait for a better setup tomorrow. Fuck. It's so, like, tempting to overtrade. Actually, if I didn't lose that one, I would have had $160 a day. Probably more. I would have had, like, $200 a day because I took an extra trade. Alright. I can't even see a good stop because of all the entries that I had. It was, like, blocking my candles. So I kind of can't see the chart. I gotta do better. If it's buy side strength, I gotta do better at holding. But because my account is still a small account, I feel like my mistakes, I have to make very little mistakes as possible. So I just want to try to lock in as much profit as possible. And hopefully, when my account keeps growing, I can have a little bit more leeway and hold my stops, and just let my profit targets hit. But the thing about a bullish day is like the way it grinds up so slow. So you kind of, And sometimes it grinds up slow, then it'll just crash on you, but it'll trick you like that, and it's not. And 410 was supposed to be my breakout play. I should have done a 410. I think I had to go fix my chart. Somewhere around here. Yeah, there it is. See, now I just got the entrance with the colors. So I was too busy worrying about hiding the fucking entries that I didn't see my 410 breakout target to buy. See, I had it marked. See that? I had it marked on the fucking 15-minute chart right here. I'm too busy trying to see. This is what happens when you're unfamiliar with your fucking trading platform. Missing out on opportunities. Is 4 ticks right here. It actually goes all the way up to 470. So if I would have held just one contract through 470, 60 point win, that's like $200, $300 roughly. You know, if I would just theoretically speaking, with a stop around 410, right under 410, boom, and just hold it. I gotta get better at that, but I'm over here trying to fix. And then there was like a moment where I was like buying and selling, buying and selling. Oh yeah, I think I did it right here actually. I'm trying to sell and buy. I'm trying to close out my position, but I don't know what I have. I don't know if it's a buy order or a sell order. I don't know what my position was. I should make my camera smaller. Canceled my order. Then I ordered fill. Ordered fill. Okay, so it looks like I am in a short now. See, dude? Like, I don't know what's going on. I guess I'm not in a position. Order canceled. So I canceled the order, but there is... Now I'm in three contracts right now. And then when I close it, I have 3 different buy and sell orders. That's what's confusing me. Then I got filled right there. I'm like, what's... See, I don't know what's going on. This whole thing messed me up because of all these words. This could have been such a cleaner trade. Hopefully I'll be ready for this tomorrow. Order canceled. I can't even see my 15-minute chart. Alright, let's just go here. Yeah, I should take the 410. Alright, yeah. I'm up $13 right there. Next trade. It starts grinding up. I took one buy order because it felt like it's gonna go up to like 40-50. I think I sold early right there. I was just scalping it. I took another buy order, I think. Just grinding my way. It could have been clean. Because I missed it, I could just scalp now. Because it's kind of in a high end range. Yeah, it's according to the daily, it's going to 40-50. But it just looks, you know, but like while it's happening, it's like you can't, I feel like you need to trust your thing, trust your levels, but at the same time, it's like while it's happening, it could be kind of stressful because if you're wrong and you take a big hit on a small account, it's kind of not worth it. But at the same time, if I just trusted it, it would have been a big enough winner to like, yeah. So I think I set a, because it's overextended, I was hoping it'll come back down and I'll take a short. It's one of those days. Then I went ahead and bought it. Bought one contract. Because it keeps grinding up. And then I got stopped out. I think I got a short right here. I think this one made me a good bit of money. Boom. Hit my levels. And it kind of just bounces off that level really hard. So this is what's been happening. It'll dip really hard to make you think like it's going to continue the downtrend. And then it'll spike back up. And it did that to me like multiple times. So I get ready for another short. Then I get stopped. Do I get stopped? Do I stop? Nope. It's grinding down. See, it spikes down and it spikes right back up. Boom. I got stopped out. I'm taking another short. No, this time I'm taking a short at the high end right here. So it's like those, the bear flag. 40, 45 look like a good resistance level. So I decided to take a short right there. And I hold my stop. I'll be like, okay, if I lose here, I lose. And I'm done for the day. This could have been a negative day. And then, fortunately for me, it showed some weakness. It almost hits my stop. Then it comes down. And I go ahead and like limit my risk because it's been so kind of choppy. So I went ahead and took out some orders really quick. And that put me up to like, if I would have sold out right there, I would have been up 90 bucks. But I was like, I just wanted to hold to see if it's gonna keep going down. And then it spikes back up. This motherfucker. Okay, I have a buy stop to see if it's gonna continue moving up. And to see if it's gonna continue moving up. A buy stop right there. And I think I had it too low with these 2 wicks because sometimes it'll consolidate, it'd be like 3 wicks at the top, and that's what happened to me. I got my order executed, I think. I don't know what happened. Wait, do I got a short? I'm in a short right now, aren't I? Yeah, I'm in a short right now. Oh, here, I fucking lost money by doing this bullshit. So I thought on the Super Dom, I can drag the stop to a particular place. But what ended up happening is that I bought at the market. Look at that. I was just trying to drag it, dude. And then I bought at the market and it cost me like $2. And the buy would have been good. I just should have been waited for it. I get stopped out on the buy. I thought it was gonna break out and it didn't. It just wicked me. See, watch this. This is what made me stop trading. So it's consolidating and then it whips me out. And then boom, usually if it's in this thing, if it's in the consolidation phase, usually if it breaks down pretty low. And or if it breaks up towards the high. And that's what I was thinking. But this thing's trying to fucking play seesaw with you. So I got my order and boom, thinking it's a breakdown. And it whips down. I'm just watching it. I just let it play with my... Give it some time. And I'm like, oh my god, it's going opposite against me again. And this is what made me stop trading, dude. Check this shit out. Okay, so it goes down. It shoots down and it turns into like this heavy wick right at this support area. and it just, wait, I almost have sold one already. Yeah, and it just shoots up. It shoots up and it goes even higher. Boom, it shoots up where I have my last buy. And then it just crashes down again. Like, where's it at now? Oh look, not. So yeah, dude, it's just like a whip, boom, right back up, boom, boom, boom. So that's just too annoying, and it's just showing too much weakness. I missed my chance here at getting my 410. Let's see, right here. Yeah, I'm done. My 410 break. Boom. I missed my 410 break, and this could have been like an awesome trade where I could just let it run. So now I'm over here just trying to trade this area, and the movement is getting weaker and weaker, or like the range is not that big, so it's like it's almost not worth it. I'm not risking. I'll just take my $60, and then hopefully we'll see a better sub tomorrow. It might be a short for tomorrow, because since the spies ran up pretty hard today. It might set up for a double top. Yeah, but look how slow it's moving. It's just not. I'd just rather just wait till tomorrow. Yeah. That's unfortunate. So I didn't lose out on the mistakes I had today. Yeah, it could have been like over 100 something bucks. It's not bad, you know. It's a small account, you know. We're just trying to build this. We're trying to build this thing up. See how it goes tomorrow. I mean, I'm not happy with the money because it could have been so much more, but I was too busy trying to adjust to this broker. Is this thing called a broker? This platform? Yeah. Whatever.